Hey girl, aren't you gonna prepare for the thunderstorm? I heard it's gonna be big time. Oh no, I'm not gonna prepare for the thunderstorm because I don't think it's gonna be that big. It's just some thunderstorm. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna prepare.
Oh well, suit yourself. I'm preparing for the thunderstorm. And I advise you to prepare too. Please, last time I was like this and I literally, you know what happened to me, right? Yeah, you slipped and broke your arm and all that stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever, please just prepare.
Caitlin, darling, it's time to go home.
Wait a minute. Please prepare, bestie. You know what happens when you don't. Alright, fine. I'll try.
Caitlin, I can't wait anymore. You better come here this instant.
Alright, bye. GDG. See you later.
Alright guys, so right now I have my 3 pets with me. The white one is Milky, my IRL pet. And the other one is Mochi, and the cat's name is Pebble. Well, basically, Pebble is just sitting in a box. Milky's sleeping. So, I guess it's only me and Mochi. Alright, what should we watch? I guess I'll watch something. I don't really know what I'll watch. What the? Is there something wrong with the power? Should I go check it? Alright, I'm just searching the power. Check it. Pebble, check on the dogs, okay?
Meow.
Time to go check. No, right? What? There's nothing wrong with the power circuit. Then what could it be? Oh, don't tell me it's about that thunderstorm. Oh, I should have believed her. Caitlin. I should have believed Caitlin. Why didn't I trust her? Oh my goodness, the grocery stores are nearly closing. And I need goods for tomorrow because she said it will last until tomorrow. Oh, no. Could you please make one exception for me? Please. I was so sick and I forgot about the thunderstorm. Please, one last exception. The Queen of England? What do you think? Alright, let me get some drinks for me to drink. I guess I'll put some cheese for tomorrow. I'll make pasta. And some yogurt.
Thank you for shopping at Supermarket.
I am so confused right now. Alright, I just ordered takeout because I'm too lazy to cook. And cooking means work, so...
This looks delicious. I should probably call over Mila. She probably has no food. Oh, alright guys. If you're wondering who Mila is my neighbor and her mom's on vacation and she's all alone.
I'm sorry. I should have listened to you. Finally, you came to your senses. Oh, well, it's not my fault. Alright, bye. GDG. Whew. That girl never listens to me and always gets in trouble. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, I think I might be sick, as you guys can see in my voice. Sorry about that. I'm probably gonna go cook myself a meal because I feel really tired and hungry, so yeah, and some oranges, of course. Alright, now I don't feel hungry anymore, but I think I'm gonna have to eat this because that basically means I wasted food, so yeah.